Search USA is an easy and convenient tool for searching many of the USA Library resources at once. Let's say we're looking for information on physical therapy for low back pain. So I put in low back pain physical therapy and click search. We get our results here. Note the limiters on the left side here. You can limit to only those resources that are available in our library collection. In other words, full text is immediately available. You can search our library catalog only, and you can limit to peer-reviewed. You can also limit by date. You can also limit by source types. You can see only the academic journals, only the magazines, books, news reviews, etc. There are some other limiters that you can use when appropriate. As you can see, as you scroll down, the list of results gives you information about full text underneath each entry. You can click to access the full text immediately by clicking on this link. Sometimes it'll be a PDF full text, such as in most of these. If we jump forward a few pages in the results, you might click to go to the full text, or if the article is not available through our library's resources, you'll get a link to request the item through interlibrary loan. All you'll need to fill in is your first name, your last name, your email address, any comments if you have them. It'll automatically fill in all the other resource information for you. When you hit submit, this will send an email to the library and will also copy you on that email. With this system, the convenience of searching one platform comes at the cost of advanced search features. Occasionally, you will still want to use advanced search features, such as limiting your results to only one specific type of article, such as a randomized controlled trial or a systematic review. In those cases, I recommend still using PubMed. There's a PubMed button built in to Search USA. If you click on that, it'll take you automatically to PubMed, automatically fill in the search terms, and run your search for you. There's a similar tool available from Search USA to ProQuest Dissertations and Theses Global. The ProQuest Dissertations and Theses results will not show up on the main screen of Search USA, so you will need to click on this link, and again, it'll carry over your search terms and run the search automatically for you. As always, if you have any questions about using this system or any other library resources, please email library@usa.edu.